Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a second part of the filter function. First of all, let's do a data validation here for the draft types. Okay, unique function, sees drugs, and then draft type. There we go. Okay, control page down. Okay, let's insert a new data validation that will be referring to the drug type. Let's go to the unique function. Let's insert the hash symbol in here. Let's click enter and then OK. Now we have the drug type. Okay, in here. Okay, now let's update our filter function times, then alt enter, and we're gonna do seize drugs by drug type. Let's close the bracket and then equal sign is going to, we're going to reference this one. Okay, let's close the parentheses and open the parentheses in here as well. Click enter and there we go. Now we can filter by drug type. Okay, when it was in heroin, Arequipa, and the gender. Okay, and now let's do an additional, an amazing filter, which was going to return a number of kilos. Okay, let's do here filter function says drugs uh, by quantity. Okay, quantity. Okay, uh, include six drugs. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me open the parentheses. Okay, six drugs when the sex of an intervened person was, let's reference this cell, okay, let's close parentheses, times, open parentheses, six drugs, where the location of the seizure, uh, location of the seizure was Arequipa, okay, let's close the parentheses and then say times six drugs and the drug type. Okay, one is marijuana. Let's close parentheses. Okay, there we go. Now we have this function with this conditions, but we're going to apply a sum of everything. Okay, there we go. 1,770 kilos. Control Shift arrow down, and there we go. Okay, let's switch it marijuana into heroin. 4,656. Control Shift arrow down, and there we go. It is working as it is expected to work. Control Shift 1. Okay, let's keep on filtering the data so we are double checking that everything is working as planned. Okay, Control Shift arrow down, 4,789. Okay, thank you.